How to place two videos side by side inside Vegas Pro version 15. So first of all, let's select two clips and drag them onto the timeline of Vegas. Okay, now let's right click here on the track and insert video track. Okay, now drag the second clip's video up and the second clip's video down and move it there. Okay, now let's go here to, using these steps, go here to Video FX and search for picture, this one, picture in picture. Okay, drag the default one onto the top video track. Okay, and the video was reduced, is this small one. Now here at location, let's just replace it 0.25 and press enter. So basically the center of this video is at 25% from the side, and the height is at half. So that is half, that is exactly in the center. Okay, close it. Now let's do the same thing. Drag that picture in picture default preset onto the next video. Okay, so the next video is this one. Do the same thing, but this time the center should be at 3/4, that is 75%, and press enter. And that's it. Two videos are side by side. Thanks for watching and bye bye.